Hey yo, what's up YouTube? Today I'm back with another tutorial, and today we're going to be building this RC mini fighter jet. As you can see, it actually flies pretty well. When I do the camera, I like to jump out because then it gives me a better camera angle. And yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make this. And yeah, let's get right into it. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to wedges, get the pyramid wedge. Yeah. After you get the pyramid wedge, you want to go 6 blocks out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you guys want, you can also stop the video anytime you want. Well, I meant not stop the video. You can slow down the video anytime you want. And yeah. So next up, you want to go back to wedges again and do corner wedge. Hold on, guys. It's really hard to find this stuff. Give me a second, guys. Oh, you want to do half corner wedge down, I meant. So you want to go to half blocks and then choose half corner wedge down. And then place it like this, 1 block from the front. And you want to rotate it and place it like that. And then you can paint it after or now. You can paint it black or whatever you want. Then after you do that, you want to go to PvP weapons. And then if you want, you can just put this here. You can place down 2 guns on the side. That's what I did. Okay. After that, you want to go to wings. And then you want to choose Delta Wing. And then you want to choose 1x4. Give me a second, guys. I'm going to put it right here. Then after that, you want to do this. You want to go to wing panels, do wing panel 1x1. After you do that, you want to place it here and just go up. Should reach the front. No, it should not. And then it should be looking like this. Now after you have that, you want to fill in this gap right here. Give me a second, guys. And you want to go back to wings, do control surfaces. 1. You want to do 1x2 right there, and then a 1x1 right here. Do the same for the other side. And then you want to fill up the wings. So after you got that, and then after that, you want to delete that part. Sorry guys, I'm just moving. So it'll actually look like this. And then you want to go to Delta Wings one by one. Place it there. And don't place it here. Don't place it right there. Next, you want to get Delta Wing 1 by 2. And then place it right here. And then your wings should look like that. After this, you want to go here, and then, so the thing is, I like doing rocket engines because it's more easy to control, but the original one that we're supposed to build is with the jet engine. But you can do the super rocket engine because it's way easier to control and it's a bit faster and more maneuverable. So it's up to you guys which one you want to do. So after you got that, you want to get you want to go back to wings, Delta Wing 1 by 2, of course. You want to place it right there so it starts at the back of the rocket engine. And then you want to get a control surface. Place it right there. After you do that, you're going to get another control surface, or Delta Wing 1 by 2, of course. And if your wings don't touch like right there, then your wings are too far apart, but I think it would still work. Then you want to do the same thing for the other side. And then you want to get a control surface 1 by 2. After you do that, you want to go to the light bulb and get a camera. Make sure it's facing so the arrow is on the bottom and facing forward. Then you want to place that there. And then after that, you want to raise it up. And then go to the gears and then get tiny landing gear. That's parachute, tiny landing gear. And then place it like that. And then after that, you're done. And to see the whole entire plane, you press 1 to see your camera, and then you jump out your seat, get back in, and then you have a jet. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye!